Alright, I have a bad monitor module on the roof. I'm going to show you how I change it out. It's going to be a little vibrating because the unit is running right now. It's a Firelight monitor module connected to a 9200. First thing you do is check the module, make sure the address matches the address of the trouble. 10s is set to 1, 1s is set to 1, so that means it's 11. And that's where I have my trouble at. It's already been troubleshot. Figure out that it had a trouble. So, up here, you have your SLC. It just stacks. Positive on the bottom, negative on the top. And then your monitor side goes on the bottom there. So I'm going to take the new one out of the box. Verifying that nothing has changed. I look at the instructions. It's all the same. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect this side, the zone side of it. The very first thing that I do. And I take my meter. I flip it to volts first. DC, just to verify that I don't have voltage on it. I always do that before you go to resistance. There we go. 0 volts, so I'll go to ohms. 46.64. That's 46.64. K ohms. Kilo ohms. And right there on the instructions, 47K, so it's close enough to be functioning properly. Next, go ahead and address this side of the address the new module to match the old. So I take my flathead screwdriver, flip the 10s to 1, the 1s to 1. I see people flip-flop that, the 10s and the 1, and end up creating trouble for themselves because they have a bunch of duplicate addresses and stuff like that. So it's better to always double check yourself on the address. Always double check yourself. We all get tired and make mistakes. Okay, so I got, and you see I wired up my zone first before I touch that SLC. Right now it's going to kick a bunch of troubles on the panel. I broke the SLC, so everything after this is going to go in trouble. Missing device. cautious here. Make sure I don't short out my SLC, so the negative and the positive don't come together. Make sure your screwdriver don't tap it. And look, screw it down kind of snug. You don't want to break the screw off, but you'd be surprised how many times I come along and it's a loose screw that's the problem with SLC. Be very careful when I'm sticking in that positive. And I'm paying very close attention to my polarity as well. Notice I double, triple check that before I hook it up. I'm putting it on either side of the screw. Light, I got a good flash. Now, take a moment here to make sure I ain't shorting up my wires. Along with the screw. Just like that. That's how you change it out. You don't have to tighten these like super duper tight, you know. What I'm looking for is to make sure I have no crushed wires back there so I don't create a fault for myself in the future. Alright? The way I do it is I put the top screw in a little bit. I'm just going to leave that open there. Sharpie's in my truck, so I'm going to go back out there and grab my Sharpie and redo that for the say number 11 on there. But first thing I'm going to do is go back to the panel, verify it's normal. Now your unit shouldn't shut down at all just because it didn't go into alarm. I was very cautious not to let that zone touch together. Okay, so typically they wire the inline resistor up on this little bar here, you know, that way it can be monitored by the duct tape, so it runs all the way through the duct tape out here to the bar. So that's it right there.